Dear students, so far you have learned about multiplication of a monomial with another monomial or multiplication of three monomials. Here in this session we will discuss about the multiplication of a monomial with a polynomial. So first case, a monomial with a binomial. So for this I am taking an example. Let 2x multiplied with 3x plus 4y. So this is a monomial and this is a binomial. So what we have to do? So 2x will be, according to our distributive law, 2x is multiplied with 3x plus 2x will be multiplied with 4y. So this becomes 6x square plus 8xy. So next case, a monomial with a trinomial. So let us take an example. So 2p multiplied with 3p square plus 5p minus 2. So this is a monomial and this is a trinomial. So let us multiply. So the same process we have to, so 2p multiplied with 3p square plus 2p multiplied with 5p minus, your minus sign is there, plus multiplied with minus minus. So 2p multiplied with 2. So answer is, this is 6p cube plus 10p square minus 4p. So let us take some examples. Now we will solve. Here is an example. Simplify and evaluate as directed. So this is the question. Expression is x multiplied with x minus 3 plus 2. So this is equal to x multiplied with x minus x multiplied with 3 plus 2. So x square minus 3x plus 2. So first we have evaluated the expression, simplified the expression. Then we will evaluate it by putting the value x is equal to 1. So this equal to 1 square minus 3 multiplied with 1 plus 2. So this is equal to 1 minus 3 plus 2. So answer is 0. Next example is simplify and evaluate as directed. So our expression is 3y multiplied with 2y minus 7 minus 3 multiplied with y minus 4 minus 63. First we have to simplify this expression, then we will put the value y is equal to minus 2. So first, what is the simplification? So 3y multiplied with 2y minus 3y multiplied with 7 minus 3 multiplied with y minus multiplied with minus plus 3 multiplied with 4 minus 63. So this is equal to 6y square minus 21y minus 3y plus 12 minus 63. So this is equal to 6y square. This becomes 24y minus 51. So this is the simplification of this algebraic expression. Then we will put the value of y is equal to minus 2 here. So this is equal to 6 multiplied with minus 2 square minus 24 multiplied with minus 2 minus 51. So this is equal to 6 multiplied with 4 minus 24 minus 2 plus 48 minus 51. So this is equal to 24 minus 3. So answer is 21. Next example, add 5m multiplied with 3 minus m and 6m square minus 13m. So first we have to simplify this. So this becomes 5m multiplied with 3 minus 5m multiplied with m. Then we have to add plus 6m square minus 13m. So this is equal to 15m minus 5m square plus 6m square minus 13m. So this is equal to minus 5m square plus 6m square. M square 15m minus 13m plus 2m. So this is the simplification or addition of these two algebraic expressions. Next example, add 4y multiplied with 3y square plus 5y minus 7. This is an algebraic expression. We have to add with 2 multiplied with y cube minus 4y square plus 5. So before adding, first we have to simplify these two algebraic expressions. So the simplification of this algebraic expression is like this: 4y multiplied with 3y square plus 4y multiplied with 5y minus 4y multiplied with 7. So this is equal to, this is 12y cube plus 20y square minus 28y. Then we have to simplify the second algebraic expression in this way: 2 multiplied with y cube minus 2 multiplied with 4y square plus 2 multiplied with 5. So this becomes 2y cube minus 8y square plus 10. Then we will add these two algebraic expressions. So before that, all of you know that how to add two algebraic expressions. I have to write these two algebraic expressions in two rows such that the like terms are one below the other. So first I have to write this: 12y cube plus 20y square minus 28y. Then 2y cube, here I will write 2y cube minus 8y square, then plus 10. So 14y cube, this is plus 12y square minus 28y plus 10. This is the answer. Next example, subtract 3pq whole into p minus q from 2pq whole into p plus q. So first we have to simplify these two algebraic expressions, then we will do the subtraction. So the simplification of this algebraic expression: 3pq multiplied with p, so this is equal to minus 3pq multiplied with q. So this is equal to 3p square q minus 3pq square. So then simplification of this algebraic expression like this is equal to 2pq multiplied with p plus 2pq multiplied with q. So this is equal to 2p square q plus 2pq square. Then the question is subtract this algebraic expression from the second. So first we have to write the second. So 2p square q plus 2pq square minus 3p square q minus 3pq square. So this is equal to 2p square q plus 2pq square minus 3p square q plus 3pq square. So we have to add or subtract the like terms. So 2p square q, here 3p square q, 2p square q minus 3p square q plus 2pq square plus 3pq square. So this is equal to minus p square q plus 5pq square. So this is the answer. Next example, subtract 3a multiplied with a plus b plus c minus 2b multiplied with a minus b plus c from 4c multiplied with minus a plus b plus c. So before subtracting these two algebraic expressions, first we have to simplify. So the simplification of this algebraic expression is like this: 3a multiplied with a, 3a square, 3a multiplied with b, 3ab, plus then 3a with c, 3ac. Then minus 2b with a, minus 2ab, minus 2b with minus b. This is minus 2 plus 2b square. Then minus 2b with plus c, minus 2bc. Then we have to simplify this. So 3a square plus 2b square. This we have taken 3ab with 2ab, minus 2ab. So plus ab. Then plus 3ac minus 2bc. Then we have to simplify the second. So 4c into minus a plus b plus c. So this is equal to 4c multiplied with minus a. 4ac plus 4bc plus 4c square. Then the question is, we have to subtract this algebraic expression from this. So we have to write minus 4ac plus 4bc plus 4c square minus 3a square plus 2b square plus ab plus 3ac minus 2bc. So this becomes minus 4ac plus 4bc plus 4c square minus 3a square minus 2b square minus ab minus 3ac plus 2bc. Then we have to write the like terms group. Minus 4ac with minus 3ac. Then plus 4bc with 2bc. Then 4c square plus 4c square minus 3a square minus 2b square minus ab. So this is equal to minus 7ac plus 6bc plus 4c square minus 3a square minus 2b square minus ab. So in standard form we have to write this minus 3a square minus 2b square plus 4c square minus ab plus 6bc minus 7ac. So this is the answer.